Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about oxoacids of sulfur and it is from the P block. So let's start with the first oxoacid of sulfur. So the first oxoacid is H2SO3. This is sulfurous acid. Okay. So what we have to do, first take the central atom S and see how many hydrogens are there. So there are two hydrogens. So take two OH, like one H and one O, another O with one H, and there will be a double bond O and a lone pair. So this is the structure. So here there are two replaceable hydrogen. So the basicity would be equal to 2, or valence factor of this acid is 2, because number of replaceable H plus ions are 2. Okay. Now second is H2SO4. As we know, this is very common acid. It is sulfuric acid. Now we have to make its structure. It will be also like that. Make the central atom and bond it with OH, one OH, two OH, and so there will be two OH bonded. Now there will be a double bonded oxygen. Okay. So this is the structure. So this also have valence factor is equals to 2, because valence factor means number of replaceable hydrogens. So this 2. The third, Marshall's acid, H2S2O8. So it is Marshall's acid or peroxo disulfuric acid. Okay. So its structure is very good. So here will be two S molecule, atoms, and now there will be a peroxy linkage. Okay. So double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and there are so count the oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there will be a -1 charge because it is peroxide bond, peroxy linkage. So in JEE mains or they can ask you that in which acid there is a peroxy linkage or peroxide linkage. So you can say that S2S2 has, and like S2SO5 also have a peroxy linkage. Carose acid, it is known as carose acid. I will explain you later. So again bond with OH. So you have to just count that how many hydrogen are there. So bond with one, two OH, whatever it is given. Now fourth one is oleum, H2S2O7. So this is oleum. You might have used this in organic chemistry for producing that benzene sulfonic acid, like it is given like benzene. So if you will use oleum or fuming H2SO4, then it will get SO3H on it. So this is benzene sulfonic acid. You might have learned about it. So this is pyrosulfuric acid. Okay. So its structure is also quite same, but it doesn't have peroxy linkage. So it is like this: double bond O, double bond O, OH, double bond O, double bond O, OH. Okay. So here also the basicity is 2, or valence factor is 2. Here also valence factor is 2. Now let's learn about other acids also. So now the fifth one is carose acid, H2SO5. Okay. Now what we will do, we will take the central atom S, double bond O, double bond O. Okay, till the valency of the sulfur. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we will do, O, and H, and here it will be OH. You have to just see that how many hydrogens are there and just attach it. But you have to learn that in Marshall's acid, in Caro acid, that there is a peroxy linkage, so it will be -1 -1. So you have to just learn it, okay? Because these are Marshall acid is very important. They can ask in board also, and that how many in which acid there is peroxy linkage. So you have to just tick the correct answer, no? So you have to just give the answer that in H2SO8, and they will not give the two of them like Caro's acid and Marshall acid together. They will give in a different way, okay? In J mains it is very important for the J mains also, because they ask. So in this also there is a peroxy linkage, so you can say peroxy linkage, peroxide linkage, okay? So you can learn. Now we will talk about which one, like let's see, H2S2O3, okay? Now H2S2O3 is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, here also the basicity is 2, okay? Now thiosulfuric acid, okay? Thiosulfuric acid, so this one is like S double bond O, and OH and H, okay? There's 3 oxygen and just you have to add it, okay? Done. Oh sorry, 1 minute. This will be a sulfur bonded with this one, okay? Sorry for that, because it is quite rote learning type thing, so you have to just learn it, so I forget about it. So this will be a sulfur, so there will be a sulfur double bond linkage, okay? So this is a sulfur here, okay? So now 7th one, H2S2O6, this is dithionic acid. So this was thiosulfuric acid, this is dithionic acid. So what we will do, same thing, just double bond O. See, the double bond will be always on the upper side, not between the chain, okay? In any acid, in phosphorus acid and any acid, okay? And here it will be like sulfur, there will be no oxygen or anything, there will be SS linkage, sulfur linkage. So they can ask you that which linkage is present in H2S2O6, so it is sulfur linkage, SS linkage. So this is the structure of this one, so you can learn it, you have to learn it, okay? And thank you for this, okay? Thank you.